In this video, we'll cover 50 common words you can use every day, perfect for beginners or anyone looking to expand their vocabulary. Let's dive in. Grab. Grab. Grab the pencil. Grab the pencil. Blow. Blow. Blow the balloon. Blow the balloon. Ride. Ride. I ride a bike. I ride a bike. Dig. Dig. Dig a hole in the ground. Dig a hole in the ground. Kneel. Kneel. Kneel to pray. Kneel to pray. Send. Send. Send a letter to me. Send a letter to me. Share. Share. Share your meal. Share your meal. Pick. Pick. Pick the flowers. Pick the flowers. Wake. Wake. Wake up early. Wake up early. Apologize. Apologize. Apologize to your friend. Apologize to your friend. Peel off. Peel off. Peel off the skin of the orange. Peel off the skin of the orange. Chop. Chop. Chop the tomatoes. Chop the tomatoes. Soak. Soak the sponge in water. Soak the sponge in water. Pack. Pack. Pack this box. Pack this box. Print. Print. Print your paper. Print your paper. Cut. Cut. Cut the paper with scissors. Cut the paper with scissors. Hug. Hug. I will hug you. I will hug you. Sew. Sew. She sews a dress. She sews a dress. Read. Read. I read a book. I read a book. Write. Write. Write your name here. Write your name here. Wink. Wink. She winks at me. She winks at me. Drag. Drag. She dragged the bag. She dragged the bag. Swing. Swing. She swings high on the swing. She swings high on the swing. Smile. Smile. Smile for the photo. Smile for the photo. Float. Float. The boat can float. The boat can float. Slip. Slip. Don't slip on the ice. Don't slip on the ice. Hang. Hang. Hang the picture on the wall. Hang the picture on the wall. Pour. Pour. Pour the juice into a glass. Pour the juice into a glass. Feed. Feed. Feed the dog. Feed the dog. Break. Break. Don't break the glass. Don't break the glass. Scream. Scream. She will scream loudly. She will scream loudly. Row. Row. I row the boat. I row the boat. Dance. Dance. Dance with me. Dance with me. Pull. Pull. Pull the rope. Pull the rope. Push. Push. Push the door to open it. Push the door to open it. Listen. Listen. Listen to the music. Listen to the music. Jump. Jump. We will jump on the bed. We will jump on the bed. Sleep. Sleep. I sleep at night. I sleep at night. Slap. Slap. The girl slapped the boy playfully. The girl slapped the boy playfully. Throw. Throw. Throw the ball to me. Throw the ball to me. Win. Win. They hope to win the game. They hope to win the game. Skip. Skip. Skip the rope. Skip the rope. Hold. Hold. Hold my hand. Hold my hand. Whistle. Whistle. The coach blew the whistle. The coach blew the whistle. Lick. Lick. The dog will lick the bowl. The dog will lick the bowl. Comb. Comb. Comb your hair. Comb your hair. Punch. Punch. He threw a powerful punch. He threw a powerful punch. Climb. Climb. He will climb the mountain. He will climb the mountain.